side by side out checking out, looking for birds. And then I got some video footage from Bob back in Kansas. Let's go check out our rides.
Taking our road, our trail we're cruising down. And there's my mom back there. Looks like people's up here. But a beautiful day for a fall ride.
Me and Summit out on a ride. Cows are raising cane. I don't know what they're raising cane about. But beautiful evening out here in the prairie.
That side a little more.
Oh, there's a trail on the other side.
Is there a trail over there on the left?
No, like
No.
just right here, like right on the grass. And then we were just
Then where?
and then back over into
Back over to the water.
yeah. Just stay closer to the side.
Is it deep?
Never went through it to find out.
What do you mean?
I mean, like, we always stayed on to this side. It's not deep up there.
It's not deep.
Is it going to be deep? Are we going to get our feet wet?
Yeah.
We might. Well, you won't. Whoa. Look, now we're boating. We're boating instead of buggying. Nah, it's not bad. We did it.
Never went straight through to find out how deep it was.
Oh.
I stayed to the side.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. Yeah, see, that's a piece of cake.
Okay.
Piece of cake. Is that a piece of cake?
No, this is a ground in water.
Oh, it's ground in water?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so smart. That wasn't cake. You're right about that.
That way dead ends in a creek. They used to call this the four-way. That goes to the pipeline.
Pipeline, yeah, that's the way.
This goes back through a pretty cool trails.
Huh.
We'll go this way just for fun. When I was a little kid, I had a trap line out here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, I used to get a lot of lynx out here.
Lynx?
Yeah.
Wow.
I need to go to Emma's house.
Oh, we're going to go down this trail right now. Look at this. It's a water pit. Oh my, we're going to get stuck. Oh my, we're going to get wet. Oh my, Grandpa. You got a four-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Oh my. We might have to swim out of here. Oh my goodness gracious. What is Grandpa done? Oh. Whoa. Oh my. Sun's trying to shine. Oh. Some muddy trail back here. What'd you try besides lynx?
Mink and martin and lynx. A lot of rabbits.
What do you do with the rabbits? Do you eat them?
Fox. They used to be full of cats.
Trapped them all.
A lot of birds. I shot hundreds and hundreds of grouse.
Oh my, look at that deep hole. Oh, it's like being on a roller coaster ride. You might see some grouse going down this trail. Remember the grouse you chased the other day? You might find more. Keep your eyes open.
Keep your eyes open for chickens.
Coming up. Hang on tight.
Oh no!
Oh, that's a big drop off. Oh,
Whoa!
whoa. Ooh, that's a big drop off.
Look, Tilly, look at all the
Oh,
chickens.
look at all of them. Hold still, Grandpa, so I can get them.
See the chickens?
Look at all
Should
those
we shoot the
grouse.
chicken and take it home and eat it?
I need to go
No, let her chase them.
get it.
Take him back, chicken. Aww.
I got up to 90. I got up to at least 90.
Hold on tight. That's
to get a blast of cold air coming in Wednesday. We're like, I think Thursday high only in the mid 60s. Lows down into, I seen one low 34, so
Fresh blueberries.
What?
Wow, look at that.
Shrinking up for the winter time.
That bush has got a bunch.
Wow, look at them all. Wow. I love blueberries. They're so good.
Mom's
Yummy.
picking blueberries.
Wow. Yeah, they're all pretty shrouded up.
It's got ice on this puddle. The ice. Oh, we're gonna swim. Hi. Wait for me.
fall is coming. I'm kind of glad for the cooler weather. That 90s I was getting tired of that. It's nice, but it's the fall. It's the hunting season. I like cool weather.
He's gonna leave me, huh? Funny.
Not cold. I'm picky, but 60s and 70s.
Do we see any birds out here? Oh, or lions or tigers or bears? Oh my. Bears or moose? Oh my. After all, we're in Alaska. It could be one, but there could be some birds.
Is it gone?
Yeah, always. It's Grandpa's way back there. We're packing, we're walking out, aren't we?
Mommy's right there.
Yeah. Ready?
Get Grandma's hands so you don't fall off the cliff.
Get in the boat.
Ready? Jump.
Woo!
Woo, you did it.
Good job.
But anyway, me and Summit, we're going to head on down the road to the next hilltop, stop and relax.
Look, Wyatt, look what we got. Snow. Lots of it. Thanks for watching.